Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Microbiology Part 2. Bingo! Without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. An agent which kills microorganisms, but not the spores, on contact, but does not prevent new growth developing. Use this restricted to inanimate matter because it is toxic properties. A. Pasteurization. B. Lag phase. C. Disinfectant. D. Fungicide. And the answer is C. Disinfectant. A method of food preservation used for milk. Temperature is raised to about 72 degrees Celsius for 12 seconds and cooled immediately to below 10 degrees Celsius. Does not kill all bacteria. A. Pasteurization. B. Lag phase. C. Disinfectant. D. Fungicide. And the answer is A. Pasteurization. The first phase of growth curve, the initial settling in stage, when an organism is introduced into a new environment during which no growth occurs. A. Pasteurization. B. Lag phase. C. Disinfectant. D. Fungicide. And the answer is B. Lag phase. A substance that will destroy a fungus. A. Pasteurization. B. Lag phase. C. Disinfectant. D. Fungicide. And the answer is D. Fungicide. Method used to prevent food from decomposition, fermentation, or deterioration. For example, additives, canning, cooking, dehydration, freezing, freeze drying, gas flashing, irradiation, pasteurization, pickling, refrigeration, salting, smoking, sugaring, and vacuum packing. A. Mould. B. Jam tube. C. Food preservation. D. Hypha. And the answer is C. Food preservation. Woolly or flaly growth of fungi on substances of animal or vegetable origin that are left for some time in moist warm air. A. Mould. B. Germ tube. C. Food preservation. D. Hypha. And the answer is A. Mould. A thread-like filament that grows from a germinating spore. For example, from a conidium of potato bride, Phytophthora infestans. A. Mould. B. Germ tube. C. Food preservation. D. Hypha. And the answer is B. Germ tube. Filament in mycelium of fungus. A. Mould. B. Germ tube. C. Food preservation. D. Hypha. And the answer is D. Hypha. A structure in plants, algae, and fungi that produces gametes, e.g. in Rhizopus. A. Mycology. B. Host. C. Gametangium. D. Exponential phase or log phase. And the answer is C. Gametangium. Study of small living things, i.e. microorganisms. A. Mycology. B. Host. C. Gametangium. D. Exponential phase or log phase. And the answer is A. Mycology. One. An animal in or on which another organism lives and derives nourishment, e.g., cow or sheep, is host to the liver frog. Or 2. Animal that has received a transplanted organ. Or 3. Cell in which a virus replicates, or into which something has been inserted. A. Mycology. B. Host. C. Gametangium. D. Exponential phase or log phase. And the answer is B. Host. The second phase of growth curve. It is a period of rapid growth of microorganisms as they double their number every time they replicate, due to abundance of resources. A. Mycology. B. Host. C. gametangium. D. Exponential phase or log phase. The answer is D. Exponential phase or log phase. Refers to an organism that is capable of surviving independently and is not a parasite. A. Hostoria. B. Free living. C. Mycology. D. Incubation period. And the answer is B. Free living. A length of time necessary to develop, or 2. Length of time between infection by pathogen and development of first symptom of illness. A. Hostilia. B. Free living. C. Mycology. D. Incubation period. And the answer is D. Incubation period. The science of the study of fungi. A. Hostoria. B. Free living. C. Mycology. D. Incubation. And the answer is C. Mycology. Root-like structures of parasitic plants which penetrate the cell wall of the host plant and absorbs food material from the cell. A. Hostilia. B. Free living. C. Mycology. D. Incubation period. And the answer is A. Hostilia. Hello friends, thank you very much for participating in Microbiology Part 2. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.